Here we go with our first tap. Where we're going to start this one is you're going to start, it doesn't matter which one, I'm going to start with the blue because it's in my hand. Grab your hand, just use your hand and grab a bubble about the width of your hand. Twist off a bubble there. And then repeat that, another bubble about the same size. And then I'm going to put that under my arm and hang on to it and go to the balloon next to it, which happens in this case to be the lime green one. Do the same thing. Twist off a bubble. You can see that. There we go, about the width of your hand. And then you'll see we've got the blue one has 2 bubbles, the green one has 1. We're going to take the end of the second bubble in the blue and twist it into the lime green one here. Let me flip that around there. So you can see we're forming a square. Twist that around and lock it in place like that. And then we're going to take the green, make another bubble about the width of your hand, and then go to the one next to the green, which in this case happens to be red. Do the same thing. Again, make a bubble about the width of your hand, and then take the green and lock it into that. And you can see what we're starting to do here is we're forming a series of squares that go around it. So we've got the green has been done, and now the red, and again we're just going to make a bubble about the width of your hand again. The next color next to it is yellow. So again, a bubble about the width of your hand. Then take the red, twist around that so that the yellow sticks out, and just repeat. Now, the yellow, the width of your hand. Next is pink, a bubble the width of your hand, and then lock those together. Now take your pink, do the same thing. Bubble the width of your hand. Next up is our white. So make a bubble the width of your hand out of that one. Lock those two together. And that brings us back pretty much to where we started with our blue in there. We have our white to connect to our blue. So we'll make a bubble about the width of our hand. And because our blue has already been folded over, what we're going to do is you can take your white, poke it through the opening in the blue, and bring it up to lock it into place. So we basically made another hexagon. We've just made one layer up. It's a real simple basic weave. And we've created one layer going up like that. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any 3 of these, but I'm going to alternate them. So if you look here, I'm going to take the yellow, the blue, and the white, because they're alternating. Oh, wait a minute, I grabbed the wrong one. Let me look at that again. There we go. I'm looking at it from the bottom, so it makes it a little tricky for me a little bit. We're going to go, let me do it this way. Yellow, green, and white. It helps if I turn it where I can see it better. So I've got every other one, and I'm going to bring all of those up to the middle and make a basic gesture hat. So bring those together, go up to where they're all pretty much even there. Twist those 3 together. Now you've made your basic gesture hat in the middle there. Now we've got 3 more sticking out. What I'm going to do with those, I'm going to start with my red one here, and I'm going to go out and make a bubble about the width of my hand coming back from this end. So here's the tail, bubble about the width of my hand. Now it doesn't matter which direction you go, I'm going to go counterclockwise. So what you do on this one is since I'm at the red one here, I'm going to skip over the yellow one, and the next up will be the pink. And I'm going to twist the red into the base of the pink. So you can see how what I did with the red is it just came from here into the pink. And that brings me to the pink, so I'm going to do the same thing with the pink, continuing in the same direction. I'm going to go out to the end, twist off a bubble about the width of my hand. And again, we're going to, since white is next to it, we're going to skip the white and go to the base of the blue. Twist that one in. There. You can see how we went around from where the pink had come up over here. There we go. And came across and into the blue. Now we're going to do the same thing with the blue, so you're going to go out to the end. And the way you do that, you just grab at the end there, where your hand is at the end, and squeeze and pinch. So you bubble the same size there. And again, we're going to skip the next one, which is the red, and go over to the yellow where the red was coming out. Twist that one in. And then what I'll do, those ones that I've all twisted in, I'm gonna point straight up. You can see how the blue one, the red one, and the pink one are sticking straight up. And then the others are sticking up the top here. So in the top three, what you wanna do is you wanna do like a basic gesture hat. So I'm gonna go to the end of each one. Pull a bubble on the end. I know some of you don't like putting them in your mouth, but I find that's the easiest way. And pull your little bubbles in the end. Give them a little shape however you want. You can have them sticking up. You can have them sticking down, however you want to do. And then I'm going to do the same with these, and because these other ones are smaller, you can just grab and squeeze and force the air up to the end. There we go, get that way you can see it better. And there, it's a little bit tall, so you can't see it all. But you can see we've got our hex base on the bottom. We went up a layer. And we've got a really fun and crazy hat.